Because today, we're bringing M1 to another beloved Mac. And here it is. This is the new Mac Mini. The tremendous level of integration offered by the system-on-a-chip design of M1 allows us to pack a remarkable amount of performance and capability into its compact design. To tell you more about it, here's Julie.
Mac Mini delivers the Mac desktop experience in an incredibly small form factor. Our users love its outstanding performance, array of connectivity, and signature design. And most of all, they love its versatility. It's why you'll find Mac Minis everywhere, from home offices to home theaters, studios to render farms. Today, M1 comes to Mac Mini, bringing a seismic shift in what an ultra-compact desktop can do. With the 8-core CPU in M1, Mac Mini delivers up to 3 times faster CPU performance than the previous quad-core version. This is a monumental leap in CPU performance for Mac Mini. So if you're a developer compiling 1 million lines in Xcode, or a musician using Logic Pro to take music production to a whole new level, performance never skips a beat. And the 8-core GPU gives the Mini a gigantic 6-fold increase in graphics performance. This enables you to do things you wouldn't have dreamed of before on the Mac Mini, like designing a graphics-intensive game in Unity, or, when the work is done, cranking up the graphics settings while playing a great game like Baldur's Gate 3. The Mini has an outrageous amount of performance in such a compact design. In fact, if you compare Mac Mini to the top-selling PC desktop in its price range, the Mini is just 1/10 the size. And yet, it's up to 5 times faster. Mac Mini just blows the competition away. And there's more. With M1 bringing the neural engine to Mac Mini, machine learning workloads take a quantum leap forward, with up to 15 times faster ML performance than the previous generation. This means the new Mac Mini will supercharge innovative features that are powered by ML, like magically increasing the resolution of a photo in Pixelmator Pro, giving it more sharpness and detail. It also makes Mac Mini a great machine for developers, scientists, and engineers utilizing deep learning technologies like TensorFlow or CreateML, which are now accelerated by M1. And with the Mac Mini's advanced thermal design, M1 is unleashed, easily sustaining its breakthrough performance while the Mini stays cool and quiet. When it comes to connectivity, there's an array of I/O, including 2 USB-C ports that now support both Thunderbolt and USB 4 to connect a wide range of peripherals, including the Pro Display XDR at a full 6K resolution. With the M1 chip and Big Sur, our most versatile Mac packs a staggering amount of performance and incredible new features. And even with all of its power and capability, Mac Mini now starts at just $699. That's $100 lower than the previous generation. No other desktop combines such breathtaking performance with such an affordable price. So that's the mighty new Mac Mini. Powered by the M1 chip, it takes an enormous jump in performance with a 3 times faster CPU, 6 times faster GPU, and the neural engine that boosts ML performance up to 15 times. The new Mac Mini is a phenomenal desktop that's far more versatile and far more capable than ever. Now, back to John.
This really is the most incredible Mac Mini we've ever made. Thanks to the integration and phenomenal graphics capabilities of M1, this new Mini will enable high-performance general-purpose computing in a way that was never before possible in such a compact design. There's never been a Mac Mini like it. But we're still not done. You've seen how the efficiency and integration of M1 yields incredible capability and performance in the MacBook Air and Mac Mini.